Okay, this will be the January 2010 M2 question 7. Okay, as you give the question a read, you're going to notice that it's a uniform plane lamina, so that means the center of mass will act at the line of symmetry. Then you see two semicircles and a rectangle on the bottom, so we have three components. When they mention point O, it's usually an indication that point O will act as the origin. That's usually a good clue. Okay, so now we're going to take the information, we're going to put it into a table. The table is the easiest way for the examiner to actually award you points. Be very clear with what you are doing. We are required to show the center of mass is this, but if you can recall from your pure course about absolute value, you're looking at some sort of situation where you're going to have a negative. Alright, so let's set up your table. I draw pictures that they're quite clear. I use straight lines, and I label the table. Your examiner will appreciate this. Okay, so what's going on? Now we don't really have to look at the we're going to fill in what we know. Well, we know the mass is relative mass, so we're going to use area because it's a lamina. And those are straight formulas from GCSE in Key Stage 3. Now we're going to consider our center of mass to the origin O. And you're going to need some negatives. But you know the line of symmetry is going to be, you know the center of mass will be on the line of symmetry, so we can actually ignore what's going on with x bar. Okay, so we're going to use the moments method and we're going to use the vector method. So you're going to consider M1G1. And you fill in just, don't start simplifying. You want to maximize your method marks. Now you can start to simplify, and don't be messy about your simplifications. And clean it up. Now examine what's going on. What are you required to show? Alright, so we have some common factors we need to get rid of. And clean it up again. Now you can also pull out a -4. Now read the question again. What are they looking for? They're looking for the absolute value. So let's take the absolute value of the x or the y bar. And now we have given them as required.